today's video, I'll show you how to make a guest a presenter in Microsoft Teams. This is especially helpful when you're meeting with external users and want them to share their screen or present content without limitations. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and look at the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Meet to open your Meetings hub. This is where you'll find all your scheduled and upcoming meetings. Under the Scheduled Meetings section, locate the meeting where you want to change presenter permissions. Click Join next to that meeting. A preview screen will appear, and from there, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click the three dots, also known as More Options. This menu gives you access to additional meeting controls. From the menu, select Settings. A panel will open where you can adjust different meeting settings. In this panel, click on Meeting Options. This section controls how participants can interact during the meeting. Look for the setting labeled Who Can Present. Click the drop-down menu below it, and you'll see several options. To allow guests to present, select Everyone. This gives all participants, including guests, permission to share their screen and present content during the meeting. Once selected, your changes are applied immediately. Your guest now has full presenter access and can actively participate in the meeting. And that's it. You've successfully allowed a guest to be a presenter in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.